last video failed about my aunt's thing, and her, I don't know, forgot what to call it again. Just saying, 10th and 4th grade, like, I forgot what it's called. It says, help Caitlin get a seizure-response dog. Thank you. And it is at the, I'll ask my mom right now. Katie, where'd you say to get him at again? Like, to help? Katie? You know where it's at because you put them there. Come on, tell me. Where is it? Yes, yeah, it's at the CLI bar. I don't know if you heard her from downstairs, but it's a CIL bar. I want in Waterford, and I want you guys to really help her. Because I don't really like seeing her in the hospital. Sometimes I'm about to cry. So like I said, like, I'm going to read it to you. Sorry, I'm going to read it to you again. Help Kaylin get a seizure response dog. Thank you. And just donate at the, I forgot already. Like, it'll tell you in the beginning of the video, I think, like, not the beginning, like, in the middle, what I said, and, I really want you guys to help her and stuff, raise for her dog, so we're not scared when she's home alone. So, yeah, just comment to me, talk to me on comments or something like that. So, I really want you guys to help, like, for real, like, I really love her, and I don't want to see her in the hospital no more. So, if you guys were watching, thank you for watching. I hope you guys help my aunt get her seizure response dog. Thanks.